Hot, son. This one's going in the next Daytona boy. What are you thinking about right now?
Hoping it was worth it.
Bobo, you like the truck? I think Bobo liked the truck. Damn.
Chuck always gets to experience me at my crappiest.
Or I'll smash your fucking face in.
Out of the right corner, George.
Alright guys, we're gonna have to kick someone out of the room. Yo! You gotta get out. Hello? What's up? The fuck you do, man?
And I was like, no, when we were in that phase of life, I gained 10 pounds and didn't realize.
Yeah.
You were 10 pounds heavier? Dude, I gained 10 pounds and I had no idea.
Holy shit. Well, I was 15 pounds heavier than I am now when I first started dating Kate. My medical said 135. I stood on the public scale the other day with Kate and I was 119. It's a big difference.
Yeah, you lost weight.
Thanks.
Stress. I was just gonna.
Okay.
So the envelope of POH has, I mentioned.
Granny got cupcakes for her birthday, 85 years old. How you feeling today at 85?
5.
Yeah?
River, you swinging?
River, look over here, River.
River, look up.
The tree swing stunt.
River, look. Is it gonna bite me? Oh my god. Whoa.
You want another one?
He has a tongue.
Right?
Yo. You have any?
Yeah, I got more.
There you go. Oh, don't bite me. Oh,
You keep missing them.
yeah, I know. I love the crunch.
Right?
turning a fucking pickle bitch out here.
Great idea.
I was going to kick your foot back.
Yeah, kick back.
Kick back.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
The movie that Rihanna did was called Guava Island. Can
Yay.
you also take a picture, please?
I already did, but I can take another one.
Take another one now that we all know.
All right. All right.
Track your eye around.
Yeah.
Nice circle to evenly kind of have them.
Fuck yeah. The symmetrical distancing is there though.
Go down and tell people I'm yatted.
It's gonna hurt a little bit. You get to shading, bro. No way.
Someone's screaming. For like.
Ah! That horrible YouTube.
Yeah.